Hello everyone. If you are struggling with your Eclipse setup for Java development, please don't you worry. I am here to help you. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to set up your Eclipse for Java development. So before we dive into the Eclipse setup, we need to ensure the latest JDK is installed on our computer or not. To check the JDK version of your system, first open the Run dialog by pressing the Windows key and R button simultaneously. Type in cmd, hit enter. A command prompt window will open. In the terminal, type in java-version, hit enter. If you are getting the same error as me, then it means you don't have a active JDK installed on your system. So to install the JDK on your system, open up the Chrome or any browser as you desire. Type in Java JDK download. Click on the very first link that appears. Scroll down a bit. Go to the Windows section. Click on the link which is adjacent to the x64 installer to download the installer. Wait till the file downloads. When the file is downloaded, open up the file. Click next, and the Java JDK installs on your system. Wait till it gets completed. Click close to check whether the Java JDK is installed on our system or not. Open up the command terminal. Type in java-version. Hit enter. As you can see, the latest Java version has been installed on our system. Now, we are moving towards our final step to install the Eclipse IDE into our system. For this, we need to open our Chrome browser or any browser. Type in Eclipse IDE for Java developers download. Now click on the second link. Click download. Now scroll down. You can see the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. On the side of the Windows, click on the x86_64. Now click on the download. Open the folder where you have saved the file. Extract the file. Open the extracted folder. Now open the eclipse.exe. Now click launch. We have successfully installed the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Now to create a project in the IDE, we need to click File, a new Java project. Name it as per your need. Click Finish. Now to create a Java class, we need to open the Java project. Now in the Java project, open up the src folder. Right click on the src folder and click New Class. Now, so to create a class, we need to create a package and name the package name. Name out the class. Click finish. Now let's test and run the simple code. Now to run the code, click on the green play button on the top bar, click OK, and below at the console you can see the output.